In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to pay with PayPal on Temu. You can simply use your PayPal to purchase products from Temu in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Temu app. Let's say these are the products in your cart and you're looking forward to purchase them. Tap right here on checkout. Then, before making your payment, make sure to first recheck your address and confirm it's your exact address. Then scroll down into the section of payment methods. Select PayPal, which is right here. Then tap on Submit Order. On this page, enter your PayPal email address. Then after proceed and make your payment of your orders on Temu. That's how easy it is to pay for products with PayPal on Temu. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.